Like the view? Today we'll be taking a look at this special two-story house located on Jalan Athinahapan, a prime residential main road. For a detailed review of this street, check out my honest review of Jalan Athinahapan. This two-story terrace sits on a 24 by 75 feet land plot and is listed at 1.79 million. While intermediate terrace houses have no room for side extensions, this house offers the perfect opportunity to build upwards. Why is this ideal? Unlike many homes, this one doesn't face another row of houses, offering you a serene green view from your potential third story or sky deck. Plus, not having immediate neighbours in front ensures your privacy. Athinahapan houses are renowned for their spacious layouts, featuring wide living areas and large rooms. Backyards are making a comeback, and by expanding the dining and kitchen areas to include the backyard, you'll have the perfect space for entertaining guests with food and drinks. If you would like to check out this house and envision its potential, please give us a call and remember to check out our website for our latest listings. I'll see you next week in my next video. Bye!